Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add SMS step to automation here in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to your automation and select your workflow. Okay, if not, you gotta create a new workflow. Just click on and create from scratch. Okay, wait for it to load, and once it loads, let's go ahead and add in a trigger. Okay, click on the drop down right here. For example, click message or message sent. Okay, or however you like it. I'm just going to go ahead and click on clicked message right here. And then we're going to go ahead and add in an SMS block. Okay, like so. And then once done, you can now go ahead and go to the right panel. Okay, and verify your phone number first. Okay, and after that, scroll down. You can go ahead and just the sender's name by clicking on SMS settings right here, or right click on it and open link in a new tab. And then here you'll have the sender's name option. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and add an answer ASAP. Hit on save. Okay, you can go ahead and add in quiet hours or daily sending limits right in this section. All right, and once that's done, you can now go ahead and go back to the editor right here, or the workflow editor. Now you can go ahead and add in your message text. Okay, for example, hi, first name. We have here a discount code. Add in the unique discount code dot. Okay, and once that's done, again, if you want to change the timings or delays, you can go back to the store settings right here in this tab, and here you have a ton of options. And once done, go back, and if you want to, you can go ahead and edit the discount type. Okay, and some other options. And when you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you have automatically shortened links right here, add and subscribe option for US and Canada recipients, and some other options. Okay, and once that's done, you just added your SMS step for your automation here in Omnisend. Just click on update, save and close, or start the workflow. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.